Hello everyone. So this video is about the important questions of applied chemistry for mechanical stream. So module wise questions are there. So, in module 1, the important questions are: what is GCV and LCV of chemical fuel? How do you determine the CV of solid fuel experimentally? Explain the working and construction of bomb calorimeter. How high energy fuels play an important role nowadays, and explain the production of hydrogen by electrolysis of water. Explain the synthesis of biodiesel by trans-esterification. Explain with the applications and also highlight the importance of green fuels. Why do lithium ion batteries place a top in the battery market? Describe the construction and working of lithium ion batteries with relevant reactions. How fuel cells differ from battery, or explain construction and working of methanol oxygen fuel cells. Explain the construction and working of photovoltaic cells and explain their applications. So these are the important questions from module 1. Next, in module 2, the questions are like: what is corrosion, and explain its types, and explain the electrochemical theory of corrosion with an example. Explain the differential aeration corrosion and caustic embrittlement in the boiler. How do you protect the buried pipeline from corrosion under a cathodic protection method? Explain the process of galvanization. Define electro and electroless plating and describe the electroplating of hard and decorative chromium coating and electroless plating of nickel. Explain the five technological importance of metal finishing. Then this is a problem based on a calculation of CPR in MPY and MMPY. So this type of problem they may also ask. Next important question of module 3 are the explain the addition and condensation polymerization with example. Explain the synthesis and applications of PMMA, and explain the synthesis and applications of Kevlar fibers. Explain the applications and properties of lubricants with definition of lubricants. Explain the properties and applications of carbon based polymer composites in industrial application. Explain metal matrix composite with an example. Explain any four props of applications of the same. Then in module 4, define phase rule. Explain the terms phase, components, degree freedom with examples. Explain how pH of a beverage is determined using pH of sensing electrode. State Beer's Lambert's law. Explain the estimation of cobalt by optical sensor method. What is condensed phase rule? Describe the PBAG alloy, that is lead silver alloy phase diagram. Explain the estimation of FAS potentiometrically using calomel and platinum electrode as a potentiometric sensors. Explain the principal instrumentation and working of potentiometric sensors for estimation of iron. Explain the synthesis properties and applications of polyethylene te- uh, tereph- terephthalate polymer fiber. Then in module 5, what are alloys? Explain composition, properties, and applications of alnico. Explain ceramics perovskites with properties, chemical composition and applications. Nanomaterials, how the nanomaterials properties like optical catalytic are dependent on size of the particle. Explain the synthesis of nanomaterial by sol-gel method. Write a note on carbon nanotubes. Explain the properties and applications of carbon nanotubes and graphene. Explain the composition, properties, and applications of stainless steel. So these are the important questions module wise of applied chemistry for mechanical stream. So in module 1, out of 6 questions you can study any 5 questions, and in module 2, out of 6 questions you can study any 5 questions. In module 3 there are 6 questions, and out of 6 questions again you can study any 5. Then in module 4, 7 questions are there. Out of 7 you can study any 6 questions. In module 5, all 5 questions you have to study. So prepare well for your exams. All the best and thank you.